I met Janie Heinrich, founder and executive director of Mobility Service Dogs West Coast Project, and her service dog at an outdoor event in Los Angeles. We talked about the goals for her project and the needs that she had. One of those needs was for puppy raisers.
Monty, good boy.
Janie's enthusiasm about her work was inspiring and led me to become a puppy raiser. As a puppy raiser, I'm responsible for teaching Monty basic obedience skills, like walking with him with a loose leash. Here are a few others. Good boy. Stay. Get leash. Give leash. Go under and deck. Open. Close. In our weekly Zoom sessions, I get great support from the project's board members, puppy raisers, handlers, as well as professional trainers. I take Monty everywhere I go. It's an important part of getting him comfortable in social situations, like food markets, big box stores, meetings and lectures, as well as outdoor events. Monty is both challenging and lots of fun, and I will miss him when he goes. But I know he'll jump the hurdles to become a great mobility service dog.